Hey guys, how's it going? How to brainstorm new ideas using Notion AI. So first of all, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version by going to your App Store or Google Play. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to get back to it. Now, need fresh ideas? Notion AI is your perfect brainstorming partner. Here's how you can do it. Go ahead and click the pencil to create a new template, right? And then what you're going to do, you're going to type here to continue, and you're going to see the Notion AI the Notion AI tool at the bottom left next to the plus button. Go ahead and click on it, and then we're gonna generate something like generate a blog post ideas for let's say for climate change, right? Or suggest product features for this project, okay? And then we're gonna use AI to leverage by hitting enter, and then we're gonna wait for a few moments, and they're gonna write a blog post by their own, right? And if you like what you see, you can just go ahead and accept this blog post and copy it and use it as your own blog post idea, or basically take the inspiration and be creative, right? And make sure that you keep tweaking your prompts to get different angles or dive deeper into specific concepts, right? With Notion AI, you will never run out of creative ideas. Start brainstorming smarter today. Let's write on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.